Ready to snag those awesome Fortnite skins and emotes without linking your credit card details? Today I will show you how to use a Paysafecard to buy bucks and other in-game goodies, keeping your transactions secure and anonymous first. Make sure you have a Paysafecard with sufficient balance. These can be bought at many retail locations. Launch Fortnite and head over to the in-game store. Usually found in the main menu, select the amount of bucks you want to purchase. On the payment screen, don't just click credit card instead. Scroll down. Look for the alternative payment methods option or similar wording. Click on that. From the list of options, choose Paysafecard. You might need to scroll through a few options to find it, but it's usually there. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Paysafecard PIN. This is the 16-digit code printed on your Paysafecard. Type it in carefully, double-checking that each number is correct. Once you've entered your PIN, click Pay or the equivalent button to confirm the transaction. Then wait while Fortnite processes your payment. This might take a few seconds. You'll then receive a confirmation message that your purchase was successful. Your bucks will be added to your account, and you're ready to treat yourself to those new items you have been wanting. And there you have it, a safe and private way to enhance your Fortnite experience. So get out there, flex those new skins and emotes, and enjoy the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.